Hello, girls.
Hi. Hi.
Okay, we are going to watch the robot, how the robot leg, how it operates.
Okay.
Do you have any questions?
Yes.
Tell me.
How does it? Can you explain how it moves?
Okay, yes, I can do that. Well, this is the leg.
Here.
You will see that this is the knee joint, which we have so far.
Oh yeah.
And we got a motor here, and don't touch it. I will make it move. Let's go a little bit further out, and okay, now it will go up. It will go down. It go up again. It will hold.
Ooh.
And it will release. As you can see, a little bit straight, like that. Okay, you want to?
Oh, that.
That. Okay, we do that. So we do that and hold it, and then we put the ball there, and then we'll see if we can make it kick. Yay!
Yep. It's like holding like a soccer ball.
Yeah. Anyway, it has to be a little bit lower for that ball. But that's how it works, and it can go quicker as well. Okay, that's how it works. Any other question?
Yes.
Tell me.
Can you explain in detail how can it like connect here?
Okay, yeah, I can tell you that. Well, this knee joint has a motor, a step motor. In the previous model, it had another motor with 10 cables. This has only 4, which is more standard, and it's easier to program. Then it has a synchromesh cable with a spring.
It's a long word.
Synchromesh is the brand, I think, of the cable, with a spring to make it tight. And there is a wheel as here that connects to the synchromesh and is attached to the wood on below.
Oh, it's got these things.
Yeah.
Okay.
It has the synchromesh canal thing. So yeah.
Vibrations. Our dad is awesome.
So you will see here the green stuff that is there. No, Vicky, no, don't do that. The green stuff that is there is a piece of rubber, so it makes good friction with the shaft of the motor, so it doesn't slip at all, or hardly any. And all the white stuff, the white plastic here and there, has been made with a 3D printer.
Oh, show them the 3D printer.
You want me to show the 3D printer?
Yeah, even though it's a bit of a mess, it's actually
What do you mean a bit of a mess?
See the
Okay, this is a 3D printer, which my daughter says that is a bit of a mess, and I agree. And this is probably the smallest 3D printer that I could find. Yeah, but I want to show the whole 3D printer there, like that. It's nice to see it working. There are other YouTube videos that you can look for if you are interested into that. This 3D printer has been a pain to calibrate. It took me a long time to calibrate, and it's still not perfect, but it's good enough. There you can see the different bits and pieces that I made to calibrate. There's all the squarish. You can see here some progressions on on a plastic lead from a control remote that is broken. I actually made one that is working and is put in its place.
And to make this, Daddy put down a bit of instructions.
Yeah, well, to get where we are, I print several things, like all these that you can see there. This was the first prototype that I made that is not in a video. This is supposed to be like that, glue there and there, with a little rod between those and the wheels here and there. And the motor will be in the middle, and this will move like that, depending if the leg has to go forwards or backwards. But it didn't work. I did many different wheels, and some broke, some other didn't broke, but the general concept didn't work at all. So there you can see some pyramids that I made also to calibrate. So then I started to do a synchromesh pulley like this one. Yeah, that's Vicky's hand over there. And then I did another synchromesh pulley, but I couldn't attach it properly to the shaft of the motor, so I had to do this. I tried to do this. I cut the cylinder in half with a synchromesh, the synchromesh canal in one side, but I couldn't put it properly in the shaft. Then I put this. I made this with a little screw there, but it broke. Couldn't stand the pressure. This one same. This one is quite good. It didn't break at all. It's good, but slips because the shaft of the motor is doesn't have a.
Oh yeah, I remember that because it kept on trying to, on this part here. It kept, see the green rubber.
Yeah.
It kept on slipping off every time it turned.
Yeah, that's right, and that's because the screw couldn't make enough force into the shaft.
My name's Sarah, by the way. Yeah.
My name is Sarah. All right, Sarah. So then after that, I made this one, which is supposed to be making some pressure into the shaft with the two screws. Broke. So then I made this one, which 3 screws, one in the middle. This was quite good, but over time it went slipping out of the shaft. Yeah. And after this is the current one, which is this.
And it works.
And that works very, very, very well. Yeah.
And Vicky's hand again.
Yeah, and that. Let me see. Oh yeah. Let's do another demonstration how it works. Actually, hold on. The
Daddy,
motor.
Do you want me to hold the camera?
No. The motor is connected to the controller, the driver, and the driver is controlled with a microcontroller. Now the microcontroller receives signals through serial cable from the computer. So whenever I press the 1, the leg will go up. Not yet. When I press 2, the leg go down. When I press 3, it just goes free, as it is now. And when I press 0, it will hold.
And you push this button if it keeps on going like too high up, like it goes clank, clank, clank like that.
Yeah.
And you press a different button, but it doesn't work. You have to press this red button to stop.
Yeah, the reset.
Yeah, the reset.
What Sarah was explaining was this has enough force to lift the leg, but just enough force. So in the future, what I will have to make is a bigger wheel here, so it has more force, less speed, but more force, so it can actually lift whichever I will make for the foot here.
Yeah, doesn't this stop it from going up because it goes like that?
Say it again.
doesn't. Because what I'm thinking right now, what's also causing the clanking is maybe this spring is going down like that and it can't get through.
No, it cannot go down. Is that it? That's it. It cannot go further.
Oh, is that as far as it can go?
Yeah. And when it goes up, it cannot. It doesn't get to the other wheel either.
It doesn't get caught.
No.
So yeah, you made it very secure.
Yeah. So let's see. Now Vicky will press the buttons. Press 2, okay, you hold it, okay, press 2.
There we go.
Yeah.
If that happens, then we push the reset button. Can you put the ball?
You can put the ball.
Alright. Put it there.
Yay! That was a release. Now there is also
Like a golf ball.
the possibility of changing the speed of the movement, but in order to do that I will have to change some bit of a program, which is very easy to do, but and it can go actually quite fast, like this.
Oh wow, that's fast.
Yeah, quite fast. So, but
Like a
that's
kick?
probably for it's for a kick. That's probably for another video when everything is more advanced. Okay, girls, put together and say bye-bye to everyone.
Bye. I'm Sarah.
And I'm Vicky.
And we'll see you all later. Bye.
Peace.
All right. Bye-bye. Thank you for watching.
Beep.